Hello all, welcome to THiNC Institute of Design. As you are all aware of the fact that Council of Architecture has recently updated the examination and the syllabus of NATA examination 2021. Many of the aspirants around the globe are confused on the upcoming syllabus and pattern. How are they going to crack the examination? So here, THiNC Institute of Design introduces the ARCHEX series, a series of videos, discussions and quiz entirely dedicated on the upcoming 2021 NATA examination syllabus and pattern. So explore ARCHEX series, test yourself, practice and achieve. I'm Vibhu Surendran, you're watching THiNC Institute of Design. So as you're all aware of the fact that the NATA examination, there is a lot of concepts which is related to design awareness, especially color theory, color psychology, fundamentals of design, composition principles and concepts related to perspective. So today we are majorly going to focus on the contents which is related to color theory and color psychology. So here we have a set of questions just for you. Starting with the first one, how many colors are present in the abstract composition given below? Option A 7, option B 8, option C 9 and option D 10. You can look at the image and comment your answer in the comment box. Now when you look at the image, at least some of you might have felt confused in terms of especially two colors. That is the green and a small patch of red in the bottom image. They are actually the same color. The green on left and right and the red at the bottom left and right, both of them are the same. Hence, the option for this would be 8 if you count the color. The reason for we perceiving these two colors as separate is because of something called as simultaneous contrast. So as the concept goes, same color might look different when they are kept at two different contrasting background. So in the example, if you look at this image, the two squares at the center are actually the same color. However, we perceive it as two because of a darker contrast on the left and the lighter contrast on the right. So it's not just variation of color, we can have variation of size, hue, saturation or value obtained by varying the value in the background. Moving on to the next question. For the given picture, which of the following fact is not true? Option A, admixing. Option B, partitive color. Option C, pointillism, and option D, optical mixing. As usual, you can go down and comment your answer in the comment box. So the right answer for this is admixing. In the given picture, only the concept of admixing is not satisfied. So let's see what is admixing or optical mixing. So basically the concept of admixing is like mixing two paint. When you have yellow mixed with red paint, you are going to get orange. And optical mixing is something which you see on digital displays. Our TV, LCD screen, mobile phone all works on the principle of optical mixing. However, in optical mixing, the desired color is obtained by keeping the parent colors just close to one another. So let's move on to the next question. Which of the following fact about the picture is not true? Is the given picture a primary color? Is it additive color? Is it triadic or is it subtractive? So if you look close, you can see the colors are actually red, yellow and blue. So we simply know that RYB is a primary color, so that is correct. However, is it additive color? No, RYB is not additive color. Is it triadic? Yes, it is triadic and it's also subtractive. Hence the right answer for this is option number B, additive colors. So let's have a quick look at understanding basically what are colors. So when you look at primary colors, you can majorly classify them into RYB and RGB system, where RYB stands for pigment based colors and RGB stands for light based colors. Pigment based colors are the ones you commonly see around in displays, in printed mediums, in magazines, stuff like that. However, RGB or light-based system are the colors which you commonly see on digital displays, TVs, CRTs, stuff like that. And there is one more color scheme which we call as CMYK, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow and black, which is actually can consider as a sister group of RYB system, which is more conventionally used in printing rather than RYB system. So let's move on to the next question. What is the biggest advantage of using PMS in graphic design, fashion design, product design, printing and manufacturing based industries? So the options are large variety, cost effectiveness, multiple shades and color reproduction. So you can figure out the right answer and comment it in the comment box. So the answer is option D, color reproduction. So as you can see, what is exactly PMS? PMS stands for Pantone Matching System. Pantone is an American-based company who is into standardizing color reproduction and color management system for different type of color-based industries. So every year they launch a color of the year. So here I have listed down a list of colors which were from 2016 to 2021, which were all the color of the year. So make sure you keep a note of them. Moving on to the next question. Principle in which white and black outline creates completely different visual impressions when the main colors are exactly the same color. The options are option A, after image effect, Brenman effect, basalt effect and color effect. So the right answer is option C, basalt effect. So let's see what is basalt effect. So what it says is, in an image, if there are different colors and each of these colors are outlined by either black or white, in both these individual cases, the illustration will be seen as completely two different pictures. So as you can see, the bricks outlined with the black and the bricks outlined with the white is completely interpreted as two different pictures altogether. Or in the same way, if you look at this image, the first image is having a dark background and the second one is having a lighter background. However, we interpret both of them as a completely two different picture. So, hope the content was informative and useful for the upcoming NATA examination. We will be updating you with more informative videos and contents, so stay tuned.
Hi, I hope you liked the video. So we THiNC Institute of Design here present the ARCHEX series for your last minute NATA preparations, which includes videos, quizzes and discussions. So how is your exam preparation going? What makes you different is how you prepare for the exam. We are consistent in producing top results both in the field of architecture and design, which is of course our pride, and we welcome you for the upcoming courses. We have short-term courses, long-term courses. Short-term courses include crash batches and foundation batch, and long-term courses include regular batches, repeater batches and long-term weekend batches. For more details regarding our courses, visit our website www.thinkdis.com. The link will be provided in the description box below. Let's design your career. Let's design it together with THiNC Institute of Design. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also click the bell icon. Bye. Stay tuned for more updates.